Hello students, good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. Today I am discussing a new topic of data frame. Means suppose we have at least two different data frame, and I want to join or merge these two data frame column by column. So here pandas provide one method. The name of the method is merge. With the help of merge method we can uh, merge two or more data frame in a one data frame. So I want to continue this topic. You can see pandas data frame joining or merging column by column. Here syntax is pd dot merge. First we mention left table name, second we mention right table name. Then we can merge on the basis of id. Then how means we have several types of methods. So using this we can merge according to types. So here uh, types we already discussed. Types means we can use inner, left, right or outer types of joining column by column, and common column of both tables show only one time in output. But here I am taking one perfect example to understand this topic. Here you can see I have a left table student. You can see student have roll number and name column. Roll number 101 Ram, 1 102 Mohan, 2 103 Sohan, 3 104 Rohan. This is our left table. The name of left table is student. And this is our right table. The name of the table is marks. Here we have total 4 rows. The column name is roll number and marks. Roll number 101, the mark 70, 102 80, 103 90 and 105 100. Here you can see here 101, 102, 103. Here also 101, 102 or 103. This roll number is common, but here 104 Rohan in student table is different, and here roll number 105 is different. Okay, so I want to merge student table and marks table on the basis of roll number, because roll number is our id. So here first we store our data in our pandas data frame. So here I am using import pandas spd data1 is our data frame variable is equal to curly braces. We already discussed in previous section. Suppose when we have table and I want to store different kind of data, so I am using here a dictionary concept. Roll number, the all roll number 101, 102, 103 and 104. Here name, the all names Ramon, Son and Rohan. And this data1 dictionary convert into data frame. So here student is equal to pd data frame and data1. Data1 is our dictionary variable. It hold our complete table, and here our two columns name, roll number and name, and print student. So this about table we will store in our student data frame. The same thing here I am to store this marks table. Here I am using data2 dictionary variable. Here I am using roll number 101, 102, 103, 105 and marks column. Marks is our key 7, 80, 90 and 100. And marks here you can see marks is our data frame and pd2 data frame data2. And our column name in this table is roll number and marks. So I already stored this data in marks data frame. but our main target is to join this table and create a one big table. Means in our final output you can see roll number, name and marks. This is our final one output. So on the basis of roll number ID we can join these two table and convert into one big table. So here I am using uh, uh, four different kind of joining. First I am using inner join. Inner join means common rows of both table based on roll number ID. Here common row means 101, 102, 103, and here 101, 102, 103. So this roll number is common. This is called our inner join. So I want to merge this. So here I am using pd.merge. Last time I am using pd.dataframe, but our purpose says purpose change pd.dataframe. Here I am using student. Student is our left table name, comma marks. Marks is our right table name, comma on. Which column? Here roll number is a common column, so I am using on is equal to roll number, and here I am using joining type inner. So in inner joining type, common row of both table based on roll number ID. So this is our output. You can see this these two table converted to one table. In this table you can see roll number, name and marks. Marks is our new column, but you can see 101, 102, 103. These roll number are common in both student table and marks table. So this is called inner join. Okay, but I am joining the second type, left join. So based on roll number ID of left table, here left table is our student table and include row of left table, but right table uncommon row show NaN. NaN means not a number. Here you can see 104 Rohan in student table is available, but 104 is not available in marks table. So in left join you can see pd.merge student comma marks on roll number. Here I am using left. So in left table 104 Rohan is present, but in right table marks this roll number is not present. So then pandas will use NaN, means not a number. Okay, here I am using a right join. So based on roll number ID of right table, here right table is our marks table. So according to marks table, you can see our final output. Include row of right table but left table uncommon row show NaN. So here you can see pd.merge student comma marks. Here important thing, student is our left table and marks is our right table. So according to right table, you can see in our right table 105 and 100 its marks, but 105 is not present in student table. So for this 105 will include in our result, but first table it is not available, so it show NaN. Here important I am using how right. So right table is our marks table. You can see 101, 102, 103, but here 105 is our right table. So name is not available, so NaN, and only marks is available. So you can see output is 100. Our final joining is our outer join. Common and uncommon rows of both table based on roll number ID. pd.merge student comma marks on roll number. Here I am using outer. Outer means common rows of both table, uncommon rows of left table and uncommon rows of right table. So you can see here 101, 102, 103 rows are common, but 104 is available only student table, and 104 is not available in our marks table, so it present NaN. but 105 and last 105 is available in our marks table, but this is not available in our student table, so name is not available. It show NaN. So you can see we have four types of joining: inner join, left join, right join, outer join. So we can join two or more data frame based on column by column and create a one table and based on a particular ID. So this is a simple topic we can merge, but in next topic I want to join row by row, not column by column. So for this purpose we will use concat function, not a merge function. Merge function always join column by column, but concat function always join row by row. So this is our next topic, data frame concatenation, means merging rows by rows of more than one data frame. Here I am also using one or more data frame and we will join row by row. Here I am using pd.concat method. Last time I am using pd.merge method, but here I am using two or more data frame and row by row joining. Here for this row by row merging, both data frame have same data type of column name. Otherwise pandas create a new column and will store NaN in merging result. Here I am using import pandas SPD, roll number 101, 102, 103, 104, name Ram, Mohan, Son and Rohan. This is our first data frame, data 1. Student 1 is our data frame. PD.data frame, data 1, column name is roll number name, we already know. Print student 1. You can see our output 101 Ram Mohan. But here I am taking data to another data frame. And in this data frame, I am also taking two column name, roll number and name. Here important thing is roll number name and roll number name is must be same. And in this data frame 105 and 106 and new name Vivek and Arun. This is another new data frame and the name is new data frame is student 2. Last time data frame name is student 1. Student 2 pd.data frame data to index 4, 5 and we use columns roll number and name and we can print student 2. But these two rows and last 4 rows I want to join row by row. So our main purpose is to join both data frame row by row. So here I am using pd.concat. Last time I am using pd.merge. pd.concat. The first data frame name is student 1. Second data frame name is student 2. So in our final output, all the rows of student 1 and all the rows of student 2 will merge in one final output. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3. This row is our first data frame student 1, 4 and 5, 105 Vivek and 106 Arun is our second data frame student 2. So today I am discussed about how to join two data frame column by column using merge method and two different data frame merge or join by row using a concat method. Okay students, thank you.